AI can't replace these 5 human skills. Future-proof yourself. AI is changing the world fast. It can write, design, even code, but guess what? Some human skills are simply unreplaceable. If you want to thrive in the AI era, you must master these 5 future-proof skills. Let's dive in. Stick with me till the end, because skill number 5 is what separates leaders from followers in the AI age. Emotional intelligence. AI can't feel, but you can. EQ equals understanding emotions, empathy, building trust. Used in leadership, teamwork, and customer service. How to master it. Practice active listening and empathy exercises and get real-time feedback from people, not just machines. Critical thinking. AI gives info, humans ask why. We evaluate, question, challenge. AI doesn't do that well. Used in problem solving and decision making. How to master it. Ask why 5 times, weigh the pros and cons, and challenge your own beliefs. Creativity and innovation. AI creates from patterns, you create from passion. Humans innovate, tell stories, imagine new worlds. Used in marketing, content creation, and product design. How to master it. Practice brainstorming, explore new experiences, and use AI tools as inspiration, not as a crutch. Adaptability. Tech changes fast, can you keep up? Humans pivot, adjust, survive. Used in business, startups, and personal growth. How to master it. Embrace change, try new tech tools regularly, and stay curious. Leadership and vision. AI follows commands, but humans inspire action. True leaders set vision, motivate teams, and lead with heart. Used in entrepreneurship, management, and community building. How to master it. Read about great leaders, practice public speaking, and lead small projects. AI is powerful, but humans are irreplaceable when they master these skills. Which skill do you want to improve first? Comment below, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video about future skills and AI tools. Use AI to support you, but never let it replace your human edge. That's your superpower. Thanks for watching, stay future ready, and as always, thanks, Habib.